The maintenance man gonna get a little loud, as we all know it. 60-ton unit. This I'm gonna back up for a second. This unit wasn't working or whatever. Sparky's up in the sky right now doing the filming for me. But to be able to talk to you guys, I gotta get away from that unloading and loading of those compressors. It's just irritating. That's all y'all are gonna be able to hear. So what I got is the compressor 2 is out, so I brought Sparky up here so I didn't have to climb up on top of the unit, and just another excuse to fly my drone. There she is up there. So so it was kicking out on high on the second circuit here. I'll show you. Y'all probably won't be able to hear me now, but this was kicking out on the high. Just with a reset, I guess I fixed it. But then I just noticed flying around my drone, yet again, this thing has blown another ECM motor. Just freaking nuts. So I'm just sitting around waiting for it to do whatever, but it's not doing what it did, probably because it's a lot cooler than it was earlier, and that fan that's not running, it can keep up with it. But when it gets hot, this thing's tripping out on the high. But we'll get somebody out here to look at it. Y'all know how much I love those units. All right, let me get Miss Sparky down here, and I'll fly her out until her battery's dead. I'll put her down over here so y'all see what I'm seeing. Low battery warning. So yeah, she's probably coming down. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna land her, and she'll come right down for us. Here she comes, and it won't go all the way down. It'll just sit there and hover. It'll slow down, and it'll hover about, I don't know, 2-3 feet, 2 feet off the thing, because it doesn't know where it's landing. But I just went ahead and landed it on here. I just pressed and slide over, so it landed where it was at. I didn't have to do the return to home thing or anything. So that's really all the time I have to play with this little thing is at work, unfortunately. But I thought I'd do a video of me walking around the roof and stuff. So it helps. The drone actually helps, guys. You're not gonna believe this. It's it really does help. I'm gonna sit you guys right there, but it does help. Like, instead of coming all the way up here on this roof, I could have probably diagnosed this with my drone. I think RJ Parker said that in the last video I had. But I'll pack her up. That's it. That's all you get out of that. My battery's dead already, so turn her off. She's off. So all right, well, she's up and running. They're happy. But yeah, it's got a bad ECM again. It's the 5th one in 5 years. Can't stand the damn things. They waste so much of my time just like I'm literally not doing anything, but whatever. Don't have to babysit those. Are these? This one's not even used anymore right now. It's used to be our little CVS store. Why are you walking all the way over here, Jeff? Well, I left my bag all the way over here. So I gotta put my Sparky. And don't think I can't just sit up here and fly for a while. I got another 2 batteries. Each battery gives me about 15 minutes of flight time. So I do want to do like a cinematic footage and stuff like that. Another reason I'm packaging this up is it's really windy right now. Well, not really windy, but more than I like it to be. And I'll show you guys how this is packed in here. This tiny little bag holds the controller and 3 batteries, the battery charger, which I didn't bring with me, but 3 battery chargers, so I can charge all 3 batteries at once. And she sits in there like that. And that is how we do it. So anyway, this was a simple fix. I even brought my Testo. I brought my Testos. Just gonna put them on the unit if I had to. Just check pressures or whatever, because it's leaked before, and that's a new compressor. That second stage compressor is brand spanking new. This ain't doing nothing. They got the fan switch on. Feel heat coming out of it. I don't know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that's the one I sucked all those damn leaves out of. This is our atrium. The outdoors on the indoors. Look, everybody's downstairs. So when I come out, I'm gonna get. Oh my God, I'm gonna get. Jeff. Most of this water is from this unit. This thing loves the sweat, man. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? We just keep it up like this so it still has its P-trap, but every time we put the pipe on here and take it down to the ground and take it over by the roof drain, somebody comes up here and takes it off, or it gets clogged. It floods the administration offices and stuff. So I said, the hell with this. We'll just put a little, you know, just a little thing that can flow out like that, you know. It's worked ever since. So for years, haven't had to replace a ceiling tile in there for years. But when I get up here on this roof, I do like to go around and check all the condensate drains. It was sprinkling earlier, just a little bit of moisture, but yeah, back on the roof again, messing with the only unit up here that gives me trouble, but it's working now. They're happy downstairs. A new upcoming video, guys, probably gonna be me washing that heat wheel over there in our other wing of the building. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can get some footage of that, but I gotta wash that heat wheel out. It's getting pretty gnarly, and this hose reminded me to do that. So, but we're all working good. There's another ladder. I gotta get that off the roof one day. So I could have sworn I heard this thing slamming shut, but no, it hasn't slammed shut. It's tighter than a goose right there. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Jeff the maintenance man. It was a simple fix. I'm sorry. I thought it was gonna be more than that, but. It's not really even a fix. We already know it's got a bad ECM motor, so now we know why it's kicking off on high head. So we'll call the boys out here, and we'll get another $1,700 ECM out here. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm always going down a hole or coming up one. Y'all stay tuned for other videos. Thank you guys. Y'all have a good one.